Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see here, we're going to be doing some Bok Choy or Pak Choi, whatever you call that, with beef, Chinese style, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, little bit of sriracha. Absolutely wonderful. Let's go and take a look at what we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to be using today. So here we've got our Pak Choi or Bok Choy, whatever you want to call that. Here we've got our beef. Now this is a rump steak and I've cut it nice and thin. You need to get it nice and thin because you want to cook it quite fast and to get it nice and tender. Onion, green onions or spring onions, garlic, ginger, and then these four here, about a tablespoon each. Fish sauce, sriracha or a chili sauce, soy sauce and oyster sauce. That's about it. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to be adding some black pepper. We're not going to be adding any salt because these guys here are very salty indeed. Very simple, absolutely wonderful. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need a pan, a wok or something like that. I'm using this large frying pan here. I've got some oil in there. That's a sunflower oil, but you could be using like corn or canola, something like that. First we're going to drop in our beef. And we're going to fry this off for about 3 to 4 minutes, giving it a head start. As you can see, cut nice and thin like that. We're on a very high heat, by the way. Okay, so we've got a nice head start on the beef. Now this beef is pretty tender, so I know it's going to be fine. If you're using something that's slightly more tough, add a bit of water here, like a cup of water, and then steam it off, evaporate it out. That will help it tenderize a little bit more. But this is beautiful, we can go ahead. We're going to start off with some ginger. Nice fresh ginger in there. I like to cut it like that, so I like the bite on it. We're going to add some garlic, fresh garlic, chopped garlic. We're going to add our onion sliced. I'm now going to add some black pepper. And like I say, no need for salt in this one because the saltiness is going to come from the fish sauce, the soy and the oyster sauce. About 3 minutes, high heat all the way here. Keep it moving. Absolutely wonderful. Next step, let's get some water in there. Super. Then we're going to go in with our fish sauce, very salty. Our soy, I'm using a dark soy. You could be using light if you wanted. Our sriracha or chili sauce. And our oyster sauce. Just giving this a lovely little mix. I mean, this is fantastic, this, if you ask me. Really wonderful. Okay, next up, let's get our Bok Choy or Pak Choi, whatever you call that. You can chop this if you want. I like to put it in just like that. We're going to grab a lid. We're going to stick that over there, a cover on that. We're going to let that go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. There's going to be a lot of steam here. Let me let that out for you there. And you can see that our Pak Choi is wilted. Now I like my leaves here to have a little crunch on them. What we're going to do now is just fold this over in. We're now going to add some spring onions, scallions or green onions, whatever you call them. We're going to turn off the heat and this baby's done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.